Hello everyone, welcome to Chem 102, Chemistry 1 Lab. My name is Pierre Gouet. I wanted to introduce you to the course. The course is 5 weeks long. We have a summary of what's going to be covered here. You're going to need to get a lab kit for this course, so you need to do that before the course starts. This is going to be posted on the 7th so that you know to get it before class starts. Down here you have a short bio of myself. You may read it when you have time. Here you're going to have the course process. As the course moves on, you're going to see this moving along. We're going to get into the course overview here, and then we're going to come back. So here we have the course overview. The very first thing you're going to have to do is to confirm your agreement with the honor code, the code of conduct in this course. If you don't, you may not be able to move forward the course. This course includes the lab experiment focus on basic chemistry to accompany Chem 101. The course outcomes are down here. The syllabus is here. I'm going to come to that in a minute. So again, you're going to need a lab kit for this lab. You need to get it right away. And the course textbook will be the one that we have down here. Okay, so let me go back to the syllabus then. So this is the syllabus. The home page is here. My inbox will be here. Course description for 101, and then that accompanies 101. And then we have outcomes here we talked about. Again, grading policy, very important. Again, you have to turn your assignment on or before the due dates. If your assignment is 1 day late, you're going to be taking 10% off your grade. 2 days, that's going to be 30%. Between 3 and 6 days, you're going to lose 50% of your grade. So you cannot submit anything after the 6th day. You will not get any credit for it. Okay. And then here we have the grading scale, the percentage, and the corresponding letter grade on the left. Textbook and lab material that is needed for this course here. Communication, please send me an email as soon as you have a question. I will have at least 24 hours to respond. If you don't hear from me, please send another one to remind me. Discussion expectation. Discussion is due, the first posting is due on Wednesday, midnight Pacific time, 3 a.m. Thursday, Eastern time. And the second one, which is a response of the previous posting, will be Sunday, midnight Pacific time, Monday, 3 a.m. Eastern time. Okay. Learning accommodations are here. If you need that, just click here and you see what you need to do. Honor code, we're going to use turning in for any work that you turn in to check if how much of that is coming from you. Plagiarism, a policy are here. Cheating here or unacceptable practices are shown here. We have a guideline for AI in this course. You may want to read that before you use it. And then here we have a learning material preview for week 1, for example. Down here, and this is where I wanted to get to, the course summary. We're going to have to do an introduction by Thursday, July 17 at 3 a.m. Eastern time, which is midnight Pacific time on Wednesday. For every week, we're going to have about 3 assignments. The first assignment, one of them, the first week, that's going to be a lab safety. You're going to have discussion 1 and quiz 1. The following week, we're going to have 3 things now. 1 from Labster, 2 is a discussion, and the third one is the lab. Same thing on week 3. 3 assignments, a discussion, a lab investigation on chemistry, and a quiz, and so on. So all of these here you have to do every week. Again, whenever we have a discussion, as we said, the discussion will be posted on Wednesday midnight Pacific time, 3 a.m. Thursday Eastern Time, and the follow-up, which is comments on the previous post, will be due on Sunday midnight Pacific Time, 3 a.m. Monday Eastern Time. Again, be sure to submit your lab safety contract and check out the Labster dashboard. So if I go back here, this is the module. You're going to see all the modules here. Lab safety contract is here. Just click here and sign it before you start the lab. Every week is here. We have the same structure, have an overview. In this case, we're going to have an introduction. We have learning material and then the 3 assignments. Here we have overview, learning material, and the 3 assignments. Overview, learning material, and 3 assignments, and so on. So we have the same structure for every single week. Discussions are here for every week, and they're already posted for all 5 weeks. And then if you want to see your grade, you're going to go here and you're going to access your grade. Other than that, as I said, go ahead and send me an email whenever you have a question for me. I'll have about 24 hours to 48 hours to answer you. If I don't, please send me a follow-up email. I will see you around, and I hope you have a great term with me. Thank you.